Once you've customized your closet by uploading photos of your own clothing items, you can see what an outfit formula looks like with your pieces. And you can save a version of the outfit flat lay with your pieces. You can view an outfit with your pieces, customize the outfit, and save the outfit from several areas within the interactive. First, let's customize an outfit from the outfit of the day on the home page. To do this, tap the outfit card. Then, toggle My Pieces. Now, you can see what outfit 132A looks like with the pieces in the closet. If you haven't customized a piece within your closet, the outfit flat lay will pull the default example piece into the formula. As you can see, we haven't customized the hat, sneakers, or earrings. If you would like to customize and save the outfit with your pieces, tap Customize. Once the customization window pops up, you can add, subtract, or swap any of the pieces within the outfit breakdown. If you have more than one option for a particular item, like the sweatshirt, you can tap the item and choose between your options. Just select the option you want to display and tap Apply. As you can see, the coral sweatshirt was added to the outfit. To remove an item from the outfit, tap the X. Let's say we want to wear a different pair of shoes for this outfit. We'll tap the X to remove the slip-on sneakers, and then to add an item to the formula, simply begin typing the name of the item within the search bar. Let's try sandals. Once the item appears, scroll down, tap it, and it will appear within the formula. Once you have the outfit just as you like it, scroll down to select the visibility, either all members so others can see your outfit for inspiration, or private so it's visible only to you. We'll select all members and then tap Save. You'll see a message letting you know that your outfit is being saved. Do not close the pop-up while this message is on the screen. To view, customize, and save an outfit from the calendar, you will follow the same steps. Let's navigate to the calendar page, and we'll tap the outfit we'd like to see our pieces in. Let's choose the outfit from the 17th. Toggle My Pieces, and tap Customize. From here, we can adjust any items within the outfit formula. Something to note, if you choose to change out one of the main pieces within the outfit, the top or bottom, or dress if it's an outfit with a dress, this could possibly change the outfit number you're working on. Let's try this by swapping out the top. We'll remove the long sleeve print tee, and let's add the long sleeve neutral tee. As you can see, selecting this top actually causes the outfit to change to 127A. We can choose to include the rest of the pieces from outfit 127A, select just a few pieces, or choose not to include anything. Let's add just the print flats. Now we'll tap Add Checked. To get the print flats to show up, we'll need to remove the color flats from this assortment. I like the look of this outfit, so I'm going to save it. Down in the outfit number dropdown, you can see that this number is now 127A. Since I was working from a customized calendar, I can save this new outfit to that calendar. To do this, I'll check Add to Outfit Calendar and select the day. I'll tap Confirm, and then I'll tap Save. Back on the calendar, we can see this new customized outfit has been saved on the 17th. You can also customize outfits that use a particular piece. Let's say you recently uploaded a new piece within your closet. Let's navigate to the closet. Let's find the color dressy top. To see all of the outfits that use the color dressy top, tap Details. Then scroll down to Outfit Ideas using this piece. When we tap that, it takes us to the Outfits page and displays all the outfits that incorporate the color dressy top. To see an outfit using your dressy top, as well as other pieces you've customized, toggle My Pieces. If you've saved multiple options for any of the pieces within the formula, you can tap the Shuffle button to shuffle through those different options. Here, you can see we have more than one pair of ankle boots saved. To customize and save this image, we'll follow the same steps as before. Tap Customize. On the customization window, you can swap, edit, or remove any of the pieces within the outfit breakdown. Once the outfit is as you like it, you can scroll down and tap Save. You can also view your pieces in outfits that have been uploaded by other Front Fighters community members. To do this, simply select the community filter along the bottom of the Outfits page. This will pull up all of the outfits your fellow Frump Fighters community members have uploaded. To see the outfit with your pieces, simply toggle My Pieces on the outfit card, and it will show you how your pieces look within the outfit formula. If you'd like to customize the outfit, tap Customize, make the adjustments you'd like to the outfit formula, and tap Save. Finally, you can customize a particular outfit using the outfit number. With all of the filters cleared on the Outfits page, type the number of the outfit you'd like to see in the search bar. Once the outfit pops up, you can toggle My Pieces to see the outfit using your pieces. To customize it, tap Customize, make any adjustments you'd like to the outfit formula. Finally, tap Save. To view all of the outfits you have customized, you'll navigate to the Outfit page and select the Mine filter along the bottom. This will pull up all the outfits that you have customized and saved. If you are seeing few or no results, be sure to clear any filters that may be in place on the Outfits page. Depending on how many outfits you've customized and saved, you may have to tap Load More as you scroll down. And that is how you're able to see how outfit formulas look with your own pieces and save them.